students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 4 practical geometry, and today we are going to do exercise 4.5. In this exercise we will be doing the construction. So get ready with your geometry box. Question number 1. The square read READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeters. Now we need to construct a square whose one side is given to us as 5.1 centimeters. Now if we want to construct, we need to know the properties of a square, that all the sides are equal and the angles will be 90 degrees. Now what we will do is, you take a scale and draw RE as 5.1 centimeters. On E or R, whatever you want to take the point. Now here we are referring it to E. On E we will construct 90 degrees. How to construct 90 degrees? I have explained in the earlier videos also, but still for your reference I am telling it once again. Now take a compass, put it on E and cut an arc. Okay. Then using the same size, you will not change it. Then you will construct the two arcs on the previous big arc. The first arc will be considered as 60 degrees and the second arc which is there, that will be considered as 120 degrees. We need to construct 90 degrees. Now considering both the arcs and taking it as a center, cut two arcs and draw a straight line as 5.1 centimeters. That will be your 90 degrees. After that you need to take A and R as your center with radius 5.1 centimeters and cut the arc at D. Join RD and AD and you will get the required square in a form of READ. All the sides are 5.1 centimeters and you have drawn one angle E as 90 degrees. So it holds the property of the square. Question number 2. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeters and 6.4 centimeters long. Now what is the property of a rhombus? Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That means we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors of AC. Now here you have ABCD as a rhombus which we are going to construct. For that, first draw AC as 6.4 centimeters. After that, taking the center as A and C, open your compass and cut the arcs upwards as well as downwards and draw the line using those arcs. The point where it crosses on AC, name it as E. Now on E, what you will do is, since the measurement of the diagonal is given to you as 5.2, 6.4 we have already drawn. Now we have 5.2. So 5.2 we will divide it by 2 comes 2.6. Put your compass at E, cut 2.6 upwards and 2.6 downwards on that line, and then you will get that point as D and point as B. Join AD, DC, CB and BA and you will get the required ABCD as a rhombus. Now please be sure that diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other and they bisect also. So that is why you know that we have done 5.2 divided by 2, making it into equal half. So DE will be equal to EB, AE will be equal to EC. Question number 3. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. So we are just given the adjacent sides. So for drawing a rectangle, we know that for a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees. So if one side is 5 cm, its opposite will be 5. Another we are given 4 cm, its opposite will be 4. So what we are going to do is, we will construct PQ with the help of a scale as 5 centimeters and on Q we will draw 90 degrees. By using a compass, you will open and construct a arc, and using that big arc you will cut two arcs on it, and using those two arcs of 60 and 120 you will cut the two arcs and draw a straight line of 4 centimeters. That will become RQ. After that, using your compass, taking R as your center and radius 5 centimeters, cut an arc, and taking P as your center and 4 centimeters on your compass, cut an arc and mark it as S. They should meet each other at S. Join SR and SP. So you will get a required rectangle PQRS. Question number 4. A parallelogram OK, where OK is equal to 5.5 centimeters and KA is equal to 4.2 centimeters, and they are saying, is it unique? Now, for a property of a parallelogram, we know that opposite sides are equal and parallel. But how are we going to prove that? We don't know any angles over here, and for that parallelogram, angles can be anything. It can be 60, it can be 90, it can be 75, any of the angles it can be. So here what we are doing is, we are just assuming the measure as 60 degrees on K. So what we will do is, first draw OK as 5.5 centimeters using your scale, and on K construct 60 degrees with the help of your compass and join KA as 4.2 centimeters. Now how will you draw 60 degrees? By putting your compass at K, you will construct a arc on the line OK, and then using that same arc you will cut one more arc. That first arc is always 60 degrees. So you will just draw a straight line using that arc by cutting 4.2 centimeters on it and name it as A. So join KA. Another, you will take A as the center of your compass and you will construct 5.5 centimeter arc, and taking O as your center, construct 4.2 centimeters an arc and name that cutting arc as Y. So join OY and join AY, and you will get a respective parallelogram OK, OKAY. Now the question is it unique? No, it is not a unique parallelogram, because we can construct any measure of angle on any one of the names given to us. So we have just assumed here K as 60 degrees. You can assume 90 degree also, you can assume 45 degrees also. It is your choice. That's all for this practical geometry exercise 4.5. I hope children you must have understood all the exercises of practical geometry. It was quite easy. Please do lots of practice. Don't feel that it is easy, so we will do just on the last hour. Practice is a must, and as you know, practice makes the man perfect. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.